लीडर वही होता है जो अंधेरे में भी रास्ता दिखाए और नेगोशिएटर वही होता है जो बिना झगड़े के हर जगह जीत जाए. So, a true leader creates a vision and a great negotiator creates a win-win decision. So, hi everybody, I Akriti and I welcome you all on my new channel English with Akriti, जहाँ लर्निंग होती है फन एंड एंगेजिंग. सो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं दो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक की, जो है लीडरशिप विजन क्रिएशन एंड नेगोशिएशन स्किल, जहाँ पे हम सिर्फ थ्योरेटिकल ही नहीं बल्कि प्रैक्टिकल भी समझेंगे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. लीडरशिप सिर्फ पोजीशन नहीं होती, इट्स अ माइंडसेट. विजन क्रिएशन इज सीइंग द इनविजिबल एंड डूइंग द इम्पॉसिबल. स्टीव जॉब्स का विजन था अ कंप्यूटर इन एवरी होम. APJ Abdul Kalam dreamed of a developed India. These were not just a statement. These were the vision that motivates, that inspired generations. Now let's follow these steps. Start with your why, means what inspires you. Be future focused. Think 5-10 years ahead. Third step, make it clear and emotional. Connect hearts, not just minds. And fourth step would be communicate it well. A vision is useless if it is not shared. Now everybody, let's come to the next topic, that is negotiation skills, a win-win approach. Now negotiation doesn't means that जीतना किसी की हार के साथ. The best negotiator goes for a win-win. महात्मा गांधी का दांडी मार्च was not just a protest, it was a vision with purpose, and results were mass movements with minimal violence. Here are the 4 steps for win-win formula. Step number 1, you have to prepare well, means you have to know your best alternative to negotiated agreement. Step number 2 would be you have to listen actively, means you have to understand needs, not just words. Step number 3, be empathetic but assertive, means you have to respect and you should have clarity, and that will results you in magic. Step number 4 and last step is focus on interest, not positions, means you have to think for a solution, not sides. Now everybody, it's time to understand it practically. Now we are going to have a role play. With the help of this short role play, you will understand that how does this negotiation skills actually works. So don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Now let's quickly move towards the role play. Mansi, I know both of us need Shubham from the design team, and I was hoping to book him for the full time this week for my product launch. I completely understand. I have a client demo on Friday and I need him at least for 2 days. Looks like that we got a clash. Okay, how about this? Can we sit together and map out the design work needed for both the projects? Maybe we can divide his hours based on urgency. Good idea. I really need just 6 design screens by Thursday morning. If he can focus on mine for Monday to Tuesday, he can work for your launch material Wednesday onwards. Perfect. And if needed, I can ask my intern to help in the preparation of raw content for Shubham so that he can be faster with me too. That works for both of us. Thanks for being flexible, Akriti. I hope people that this short role play has added value in your mindset. With this, we are moving towards the end of the video, and at the end I would like to share with you all that कि leadership vision आपको direction provide करता है, वहीं negotiation skills आपको आपके destination तक ले जाती हैं. That too without burning bridges. Now people, अगर आप भी बनना चाहते हो एक impactful leader, so please do share this video with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you like the video. Till then, bye bye. See you all in the next video.